Hello friends, I am Narvade Patil and you are welcome to my YouTube channel Key to English Grammar. Today we are going to see the material noun. Already we have seen common noun, proper noun and collective noun. Let us see what is the material noun. The names of material things, either solid or liquid, are called material nouns. What is the definition of material noun? The names of material things, either solid or liquid, are called material nouns. This is one definition. And if you don't understand clearly, let us see the second definition. A material noun is the name of a material existing in the nature. The second definition is a material noun is the name of a material existing in the nature. And if it is still not clear, let us see the third definition. A material noun denotes the matter or substance of which things are made. Let us clear this thing now. What is the meaning of this? A material noun denotes the matter or substance of which things are made. It means things are needed to make other things. For example, iron, cotton, wood, gold, etc. are some of the materials out of which things can be made. In this way we can understand what is the material noun. Some of the examples we can see: copper, cotton, gold, silver, milk, oil, sugar, water, wood, wool, coffee, ghee, air, bronze, cement, clay, coal, diamond, gas, glass, grass. Again, we can continue some of the more material nouns: ice, ink, petrol, diesel, iron, lead, steel, mercury, mica, paper, sand, silk, stone, tea, wheat, rice, jowar, maize, soil, plastic. These are all examples of material noun. Let us use these material nouns into examples, into sentences. Let us see the first example. This sweater is made of wool. This sweater is made of wool. Here two words can be confused: sweater and wool. Which one is the material noun? We have to understand. Here sweater is a concrete noun while wool is a material noun. Concrete noun we can count in number. We can say one sweater, two sweaters, but we cannot count the material noun. We do not say one wool, two wools. So here sweater is a concrete noun while wool is a material noun. Second example. Cement was used to build this tower. In the given sentence, cement is the material noun and tower is the concrete noun. Let us see the third example. The ornament is made of gold. Ornament is the concrete noun and gold is the material noun. Next example. Cotton is good for skin. Here cotton is the material noun. Number 5. I like rice and pearls. Rice and pearls, these are material nouns. Take this milk before you go to bed. Here milk is the material noun. We cannot live without water. Water is the material noun. Table is made of wood. Here wood is the material noun. Flour is made of wheat. Here wheat is the material noun. Her ring is made of gold. Here gold is the material noun. Let us see some of the important points about the material noun. Number 1. Material nouns are always used in singular form. means we do not count the material nouns in number as 1, 2, 3, 4. So material nouns are always used in singular form. Second thing, a or an is not used with material nouns, means that is the uncountable, means we do not use a or an before the uncountable noun, and material nouns are uncountable nouns. And the third point is that when a unit is used with a material noun, we can use a or an, but many times what happen, we use the unit to count the material nouns. Directly we do not count. For example, we say a cup of tea. A cup is the unit here. We do not say 1 tea, 2 tea, but we say a cup of tea, 2 cups of tea. Or a water bag, we do not say 1 water, 2 waters, but we say a water bag. Because of that bag we are using here a. Or an oil tank, we say an oil tank. Oil, we do not say only an oil, but we say an oil tank. Tank is the unit here. A meter cloth, we don't say a cloth to clothes, but we say a meter cloth, means meter is the unit here. In this way we have seen material nouns are uncountable. We do not use a or an before the material nouns. They are always in singular form. They don't have the plural form also. Let us see abstract noun in the next video.